What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how you can create a PayPal account. Once you are on the PayPal website, you're going to click here where it says sign up, and then you need to choose between a business and a personal account. I think if you are like a freelancer or you have an online business, then a business account will be best for you. But if you just want to like shop online, send and receive money, a personal account will be okay. Now you're just going to click here where it says get started, and then you need to enter your email address. And it's very important that you enter the correct email address because you'll need to verify it later on. Now, after entering your email address, you will need to enter your phone number. Just take note, they say here by continuing, you confirm that you are authorized to use this phone number and agree to receive text messages. Carrier fees may apply. Once you are done entering your phone number, you will then receive a text message containing a 6-digit code that you need to enter. And after that, you will then need to create a password. I definitely recommend that you create a very strong password if you are going to create a PayPal account. They say here use 8 to 20 characters and use two of the following letters, numbers, or symbols, like for example, at dollar, a percentage, and so on. Now, after creating a strong password, you'll need to enter your personal information. They say here, make sure this matches your official ID. You're going to select your nationality, enter your first name and last name, and then you can choose your ID type. This can either be your national ID, passport, or driver's license. If you choose your national ID, you're just going to enter your ID number and then your date of birth, and then you can click next. Once your personal information is all set, you just need to enter your address. They say here, make sure to use your billing address. You're going to enter it here on line 1, as well as your suburb. Be sure to read through PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement. If you are happy with all of that, you can just click here where it says agree and create account. The next part is probably the most important part because it's all about linking your bank card. You can choose here, do you want to shop with PayPal or do you want to send money? Just going to click this option, and then they say here that you're going to link a card. This can be either like a debit or credit card. You just need to enter that number here. Select your card type. Is it going to be a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, or Diners Club? You need to enter the expiration date as well as the security code that is on the back. And then you also need to like select the billing address. This can be like the one that you entered at the beginning, or you can add a new address. It all depends on you. And then you can just hit link card. You can also then choose to create a username. Just be sure to read through these terms first. And if you are happy with all of that, you can just hit continue. Now, the last part that I want to go through here is called the complete account setup. First, you're going to confirm your email. You know, guys, this is very easy. They just send you a email to that email address that you entered at the beginning. Inside of that email, there's a link. You click on it, and then you just confirm your email by doing that. After you do that, you can just link a bank account. I showed you how to link your cards. You can also choose to add a profile picture, and then you can also download the PayPal app on your phone. It's very easy to do. I like the PayPal app because it's convenient to use. So yeah, guys, that's how you can set up a PayPal account. I do hope that you have found value in this video, and I will see you in the next one.